To the health of the U.S. economy, right now concerns are growing about a new strain of the coronavirus and the ways it could impact our everyday lives. Liza Lucas is in studio this morning to help us break down why economists are worried about Omicron. Liza, you think back to the Delta variant and how it was such a setback in the fight against the virus. It's no telling, if this will be similar here.
Yes, we're certainly in that watch and wait and see mode. We certainly saw the economic ups and downs over the summer with Delta. And now, just as experts say the economy is starting to strengthen, we have Omicron to watch for, and this new variant emerging as the country already is dealing with a busy holiday season and ongoing supply chain issues.
As scientists push for answers about new variant Omicron, President Biden seeks to reassure.
It is a cause for concern, not a cause for panic.
Yet the threat of Omicron contains many unknowns, including uncertainties around the country's economic outlook. The head of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell, set to testify before Capitol Hill on Tuesday, laying out his concerns amid a recent rise in coronavirus cases and the new variant, including the possibility prices could keep rising, job growth could take a hit, and the supply chain crisis could get worse. The chairman writing that worries over the new variant could, quote, reduce people's willingness to work in person, which would slow progress in the labor market and intensify supply chain disruptions. Omicron threatening not only individuals' health, but possibly America's economic recovery.
So in summary, it is not just scientists that are watching Omicron. Lots of eyes on this variant as more data is expected to come in, and that includes Wall Street. Got a report this morning being the bearer of bad news. Stock futures are down more than 500 points on the Dow before opening bell, reversing the rebound that we saw yesterday that a lot of people were excited about. So we will see if Chairman Powell is able to settle some of those fears at today's meeting.
All right, looks like a lot of things are up in the air, Liza. Got to keep a close eye on Omicron. Thanks for that update. So concerns about this new variant, they're popping up as Georgia sees a slight increase in the number of COVID patients all over the state. More than 930 people are being treated for COVID in our hospitals. It's not exactly clear what's causing the increase. Meanwhile, the rate of new cases, that's flattening out. Since Thanksgiving, Georgia has seen about 500 or so new cases per day. And the deaths, they keep going down, although one death from COVID is still too many. Georgia is averaging about 40 deaths per day. That is down nearly 60% from last month.